All right, so number five, the student got the same answer that you got, and the answer key, I guess, is kind of right. Actually, to be honest with you, when I'm looking at this, I feel like the answer key is wrong on this one. I always tell my students that when you're dealing with similar triangles, or in this case, we're dealing with congruent triangles, to draw the triangles side by side, so that way you can make sure that you're dealing with, the same sides. You're setting them equal to each other, and in order to do that, we need to draw these two triangles side by side in the same orientation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this second triangle, and I'm going to rotate him 180 degrees. That's how it looks. Because obviously, let me undo that real quick. Obviously, this side right here is the smaller side, and this side right here is the smaller side. Now, never trust the picture, because actually, in actuality, x plus 5 is a smaller number than x plus 8. And so technically, this x plus 8 should be on this side over here. But I can, however, trust the orientation of the picture. So let's see. I'm going to link the bigger side to the bigger side. And so if I were to do this correctly, this would say something like 3x minus 4 is equal to x plus 5. And then solving that out, you end up getting 2x equals 9. I added the 4 to both sides, and I've subtracted the x from both sides, and then I've got x is equal to 9 halves, or also known as 4.5. Yeah. Now, that might not have been what you folks intended. In order to do this and get the same number that the answer key got, they would need to relate this thing to this side right here, which I guess, I don't know, it's very difficult because when you don't have the angles labeled, as far as like being able to say, okay, this angle is the same as that angle, and then we can much easier orient them in the same way. It's really a judgment call on how does the picture look. And so you have 3x minus 4 is equal to x plus 8. And then you can say, all right, well, 2x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 6. But honestly, according to how the picture is laid out, I think that this answer is wrong. And we might want to either move this x plus 8 and switch places right here in the original problem, or we can move the 3x minus 4 to the other side.